Hello! We are on day 6 of the 12 days of photo organizing secrets. Today's secret is you're probably going to have to throw photo albums away. I highly recommend it. My name's Molly, and in case some of you haven't looked into a little bit of our background here, I'm the owner of Pixology, and we've been helping clients save their photos in the form of a photo estate. That means we organize the pictures, scan them, and create an online archive so that the pictures are preserved for generations to come. Our work takes place in 2 ways. 1, we teach people how to do this themselves, and 2, people just give us everything. And if you are interested in either of these, you can click the link below and schedule a time with me. I'd love to talk with you and hear about your photo challenges and see if we might be a fit for what you need to get done. Now, photo albums. Throwing them away is something that scares some of our clients. In fact, I had one woman who couldn't wrap her head around it. She had like 54 albums on specially made shelving in her cathedral ceiling on each side of the fireplace. And she couldn't wrap her head around taking the pictures out and then putting them back in, because that's what you need to do, right? The pictures have to come out of the photo albums to be scanned. Putting them back in is horrible. It's time consuming. Some of the pictures don't even need to be saved, so you'd have open slots. Some of your photo albums are missing the best pictures because somebody took the photo out and didn't put it back. So often, photo albums are kind of a mess. They are damaging your pictures most likely. The sticky albums, magnetic albums, if they're not acid-free and all of that, the coloring's being damaged on your pictures, and it's not a good situation. In addition, if you have a lot of photo albums, they take up a large amount of space, and they're probably not coordinated or matching. I mean, think about through the years when you've collected photo albums, you bought what was stylish at the time, and none of it looks good today. I'm pretty certain of that. So getting rid of the photo albums is a part of our process. Some of it, if they're in good shape, we have donated some to Goodwill, which is, might make you feel a little better, but the majority just go in the trash. Now, there are some photo albums that are worth preserving. And usually these are more scrapbook type albums. And I have one here. This was my grandma's photo album. These are really a treasure, the pictures in here. And fortunately, her photos could slide out of the holders here. But sometimes pictures are glued into the photo albums. If you are of the mindset that you want to save and hold on to something that's in good condition like this one is, you can do that. And the same with scrapbooks. There was a big trend in scrapbooks, and I was a part of it. I loved Creative Memories scrapbooks, so a lot of people have spent time making those even today. It's important with these old scrapbooks or your current scrapbooks that the pages be scanned and preserved digitally. We just experienced horrific tornadoes last week, and fires, natural disasters are just waiting to steal your memories away. So at least make sure you scan them, and then you'd have them digitally in case disaster struck. So that is the secret number 6, and it may not be a secret, but we find our clients are fairly surprised often when we say, can we throw the photo albums away? Yeah, they mostly need to be tossed. And I hope you're okay with that. If you have a strong feeling about the photo albums, leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. That is it for today's secret. Next up tomorrow is secret number 7. We'll see you then.